That's a cute little place. Look at that hotel.
Right.
That's MzPatriciaAnn.
Apartments for rent. That's where you should go.
Alright.
That's where you want to go? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Get all your pictures. Get them out of your system.
Get out of my system. We got a lot of places.
I know. That's all I'm saying. But look at this. You got me right here.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. Look, you see the falls right there.
Yeah.
I didn't even get all the way in the parking spot. Look. We're going to go all the way around this. Cross the river somewhere over there. And then we're going to pull up right there.
Ooh.
Left my phone.
Don't scare me like that. Ferris loop. He's a drinking.
I'm not drinking and driving. I pulled over to drink it.
Alright. They're
No, they're hitchhiking.
Look at that rock out there in the middle of it. Little island. Don't see it in the middle?
Middle of the bridge?
No, it's an island.
Oh, I see it.
There's two islands. One island looks underwater.
Some shit on something on it. See it?
Oh wow, what is that? It looks like a Johnny on the Spot. Doesn't it? Look at this island here, I told you it's underwater. That's a little island too, swampy. Gully Bridge. Oh wow, I want to go over there. That's a restaurant.
That's something.
It's a restaurant.
There's an exit. You can go back.
No.
Babe, it's a small town. It's probably clean.
Okay, let's go.
285. Damn, I should probably top off.
It's getting cheaper further we go.
For real. Might just put a little something in the tank.
He's wearing some commercial. I haven't had a slush puppy in so many years, so when I seen these, I became super excited. Is it down that road?
It's right up here to the left.
Left.
Right there.
Oh wow. Ooh,
Is that a
wow.
place to pull over?
Yeah.
There's a trail.
Hmm.
That's where we're going.
Dangerous, dangerous. That's just people we seen earlier.
Yeah, at the river. Look, up there.
Oh wow.
It's Cascade Falls, or Cathedral Falls. Let's go, baby.
Get your pen. Oh wow, that's pretty.
Little babbling brook.
Yeah, it's real pretty.
You think you can make it all the way?
Yeah, sure can.
Going that way or this way?
Both.
See how they come back?
Let's see how they come back. So if I fall, it's not that embarrassing. It's gonna hurt really bad. Oh, they just got engaged.
That's 4 days ago.
They just got engaged 4 days ago. You got an ink pen, baby?
Nope.
You better find me an ink pen before we leave. Making memories. Oh, everybody making memories. So everybody's making memories. That's what it says on there. It says something, beware. That sign? I don't know what it says.
Please lock all doors to your vehicle before viewing waterfall.
Oh.
I'm sure people have gotten their shit stolen.
Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Somebody's flip-flops, they didn't make it. Baby, I'm scared.
Oh, I can go in and get the boots and you can carry it.
I'll go in too.
Okay.
Oh, it's so pretty and chilly. Pick a rock. Oh, wow.
Go. Huh?
There's something in there.
In where? Over here, checking out Cathedral Falls. She's gonna fall in. Can almost guarantee it. You can make it. You can make it. See if you find you a rock you like on the way home. See if you find a rock you like. Hey, there's a lot over here. I'm gonna stop recording. You stop it. No, here. I want to take pictures too.
Thank you.
Look, there's my little heart.
Aww. Isn't this gorgeous?
I want to get a camera in. Just like that.
Let me record my rock you got me.
I'm not holding this up.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Shaped like a heart. My heart, because it's so tiny.
Your heart's not tiny.
You got another 3 people. Come on. It's part of the tradition. So many people do it. Just make it tasteful. Oh, that's my keys in my truck. What do you want to put? You want to put Glenn and Patricia in a heart and the date? Huh? Yeah. And you put Glenn and Patricia, the heart and the date?
Right there. There's nobody yet.
Either right there or right there. Behind you.
I want one of these big posts. Yep. What's today?
May 24th.
Come back behind me.
Not yet. What is that?
That's the reflection. Shut up. It's a reflection into a heart. I'm going to take a picture of it.
Okay.
You try drawing on it. It's hard. Hi.
Hello.
What's that? What is that? What is it?
It's gone. Spider.
What's that? What'd you draw? Oh.
G-H.
Glenn Hardy?
Yeah, I was experimenting on ways to do it. That's cool.
You tag us on here. We'll come back and see who's is here next couple of years. There's somebody else. It's hard to type on that, write on that thing, especially when your ink pen ain't too good.
That didn't work out like I wanted it to. Okay, GP.
Write us like this.
It's like 9G.
Park Rangers quit, Glenn.
Really?
I don't know what they are. He's got something on him. Ink pen or something.
Oh.
What is it? I was right, was I not?
Yeah. Did they say anything?
What? What happened?
I don't know.
They act like they're going up there on a mission. Probably because there's little kids playing in the rocks like that.
My parents stopped working.
I hope you liked your truck. She's worked. Oh, everybody brought tails. Like they're going to be swimming in this.
You probably did. Yeah, I hope that lady doesn't think we called somebody.
I know.
Oh, this thing stopped working.
So we just got Glenn.
Glenn plus.
They're taking pictures, it looks like. Yeah, he's just taking pictures.
She's worried.
She's barefoot.
Huh?
Barefoot. You can tell they definitely come in.
Hmm?
She's barefoot.
They probably do this all the time. Better than going to a water park.
I'd be scared of snakes popping out at me. Having a hard time, dude?
Yep. You took all the ink.
Took a lot to draw that heart.
I know.
That's my little...
That's what I got.
He fell in.
Dude.
That guy over there in that red shirt. Trying to take a picture and just slip.
Here, that's all I got.
Alright.
Good enough.
Let's see if my magic will work. Hey, look.
You got it?
Yeah?
Whatever, dude. See if you finish your name.
Record it.
You record it. Out of your room. Good, how you surf? Pretty good, man. I'll be damned, you finished it.
Yeah, I did.
Whatever, dude.
Told you I could.
Whatever.
And I was gonna climb up there too. He can't make it. He ain't.
He's the one that fell in the water, ain't he?
Yeah. He ain't coordinated. The other one ran like a monkey up there. I bet you.
He's way up there.
I bet you they're going to the very tip top.
He's up there.
How are they gonna get back down?
Same way they went up.
That's gonna be.
That's the scariest part.
Come back down?
Yeah.
I kind of want to stay here and watch them come back down.
I'm a little curious myself. But who's to say how long it's gonna take them to come down? And then we lose sunlight when we could be watching other shit.
I know. They're gonna slide down.
I haven't seen them go anywhere.
They're behind that tree.
He's still behind the tree, yeah. Probably them guys in the car are just staring at us. Oh man, what you gonna do?
There's two ways they can come around this.
Should I go behind the tree? Well, shit. I don't know, they stopped somewhere back there.
That's crazy.
It's pretty nuts.
What are they doing?
I don't know, I ain't worried about that.
We may never know.
You just keep watching. I'm gonna go and check what else is out here.
Okay. YouTube, we're watching to see if they ever come out. There they are. They're at the very tip top. Look. See the red shirt.
There's a walkway up there.
Is there?
He's walking. The other one's right there behind him.
Let's do it.
You. Yeah, they're just walking now.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they're on a path. I bet you it's beautiful up there.
I bet you it is.
We may never know.
Oh, you can wait till they come down and tell them to text you their photos. Jump in.
Jump in, did you see that? Splat.
They fucking went up there.
Yeah, they did. They climbed that like it was nothing. They're going back in there.
Babe, we couldn't do that on a good day. Number one, you're in flip-flops.
I got tennis shoe socks. Right down there.
I couldn't do it. I'm gonna let you know right now, I couldn't do that shit. That's for another day when me and you were more fit. Both them dudes with sticks.
There he is. There he is right there. See him?
They're in the same spot they were at a minute ago.
Basically, they can't go nowhere else. They're going to jump. There you go.
I'm gonna jump.
They're going to jump to the other rock.
What other rock?
There's a rock in front of him. Watch him. He's acting like he's wanting to jump on it. See? They're climbing. There they go. I told you. They're going to get killed today.
Get out and watch them then. That's a YouTube video.
Oh, there he goes. He's that blue one. He's slipping. Get ready to slip. Yeah, he turned around.
Yeah, they gave up.
Yeah, because that blue one about fell.
Oh.
There, the blue one's going to go first. That's dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
Like death. But I don't want to witness somebody kill themselves. He follows you though, he's dead.
It's a good possibility. I'm looking over here to see where we can go.
I don't know if even YouTube can see them. Maybe if I zoom in.
You can, but
Yeah.
Ray Jordan can.
Oh, he's climbing. Oh, he climbed up inside there. And he's scooting on his knees. They're getting dedicated.
Mm-hmm. Maybe they have a channel. I'm barely in the service here.
Man, that's crazy. He's literally underneath the waterfall hugging a rock as the other one takes a picture of him. I kind of want to get out and look at him.
Go. I'm not just keeping you here. I'm not going to leave without you. Go back to the bridge. Or go back out there. Just go.
I want to go save this. Yeah, he is. He's standing up underneath that rock. How is he to see? Wow. I did.